Welcome to the hub of powerplant piping excellence. Discover the path to a thriving global career right here at Pertecnica. The future of power plant piping installation and quality control as a career in India is poised for growth, driven by the nation's focus on power generation and infrastructure development. We are offering certification course on power plant piping installation and quality control. Why this course and what you will learn? Site preparation, trench excavation, pipe routing, welding and jointing, non-destructive testing, pressure testing, cathodic protection installation, inspection and verification. What jobs you will get: piping engineer, piping designer, quality control inspector, welding inspector, construction manager, quality assurance engineer, safety officer, project manager, materials engineer, documentation specialist.